How to build your brand and drive more sales with TikTok. Hey everyone, David here from Value Tout TV. TikTok has exploded in popularity over the last couple of years and presents a huge opportunity for businesses and entrepreneurs to connect with a young, engaged audience. In this video, I'll be breaking down exactly how you can leverage TikTok for brand building and e-commerce sales with plenty of real-life examples and results. So if you want to maximize TikTok for your business, make sure to watch until the end. Tip 1 or optimize your profile. The first step is optimizing your TikTok profile to attract your ideal audience. Make sure your profile photo and bio clearly communicate what you do. For example, if you have an e-commerce store selling pet products, use imagery and text focused on pets. You can also link to your website or online store in your bio to drive traffic. I've seen huge results just from sending viewers from TikTok to my online store. Tip 2: engage with trends and challenges. Jumping on popular TikTok trends and challenges is a great way to showcase your products, build your brand, and engage your audience. For example, a jewelry brand could participate in outfit and accessory challenges by featuring their necklaces, bracelets, and more. I recently ran a campaign with the #ShowYourStripes challenge, which helped increase our t-shirt sales by 25% that month by getting our products in front of interested users. Tip 3: create short-form educational content. TikTok is perfect for delivering short, fun educational content to build authority and get viewers hooked on your knowledge and personality. For my channel, I create short tips on topics like starting an online business, social media marketing, and more. This positions me as an expert and has helped grow my audience. Tip 4: use hashtags strategically. Leveraging relevant hashtags allows you to insert your content into top trends and expands your reach to interested users. Do your research to find hashtags aligned with your niche and target audience. For example, an athletic wear company could use hashtag workout routine, hashtag gym life, hashtag 8th leisure, and more. I aim to use a mix of popular hashtags with high volumes, as well as specific niches relevant to my content. This strategy has helped my videos get thousands more views. Tip 5 are run contests and giveaways. Contests, giveaways, and sweepstakes are a proven way to build your audience and generate buzz around your brand on TikTok. Ask for shares, likes, and follows in return. I ran a recent contest for a free one-on-one business coaching call, which helped me gain over 5,000 new followers in just 2 weeks. Implementing even just a few of these tactics can help you tap into TikTok's huge audience and explosive growth. I hope this video gave you some new ideas on how to build your brand and drive sales with TikTok. Let me know if you have any other questions. Make sure to subscribe for more videos from Value Tout TV channel.